Rebecca Plant.
And I'm Edward Plant.
And we are the founders of the Business League. It is so good to have you here with us inside the Business League.
It's one of the things I love most in welcoming new members into the fold. And welcome, congratulations on joining us.
Yeah, good move.
We just wanted to share some things in this video on how you can make the most out of the Business League in your time with us, but especially in the first 90 days.
We believe we are one of the best going around at the moment in terms of business breakfasts and community that we've built. And the way that we do that is because we also believe in creating a positive environment for all people to live. We think we can impact that by being a really positive and forward-driven business community. We have 2 kids.
And so we see the ripple effect. The better your business is, the more it's going to impact your community, which will make the Gold Coast a better spot. So personally, we have 2 kids that we want to have an amazing life growing up on the Gold Coast. Therefore, we need the Gold Coast to be great.
So we're going to take a second now to tell you what you can expect from us and what you can expect from the Business League over now for the life of your membership and especially for the next 90 days.
So the first thing is we're going to deliver the services that we've outlined to you already. We'll continue. The second one is we're going to continue to innovate. So we're going to continue to make the Business League even better and give you more opportunities for connecting, developing and growing your business.
Yeah, and our community is full of a wealth of knowledge. And one of our speakers this morning, who was Steve Scanlon, who's the CEO of Recon Solutions, was just telling us, wow, you guys have got such a massive thing there. I learned so much from the people in that room. This guy's been to Harvard Business School, but yet he was able to learn something from the community, from the people involved, from just being part of it.
The next one is we're going to continue to deliver amazing events. So we personally think that our business breakfasts are world-class and definitely the best on the Gold Coast. And we're going to continue to deliver that so that you can connect, develop and grow your business in an amazing atmosphere.
The other thing about the Business League that's really important to get in around is that this is really about supporting others. The feedback that we get from new guests that arrive and to new members into the fold is that, I didn't have anyone shoving their stuff on me. They really genuinely wanted to help. And that's the environment that we really like to foster at the Business League, and we'd love for you to take part in. Get to know people, find out how you can support them, and in doing so, they will support you.
So over the next 90 days especially, there's a couple of things that I would recommend that you guys do to get the ball rolling, build some momentum, get some good wins on the board and getting results for you and your business. Beck's just highlighted one of them. It's being proactive. Get involved. If you don't show up, it's really hard to build a relationship with someone. So come to the coffee catch-ups, the breakfasts, get engaged, get online in the members lounge and just engage and reach out to people.
And make sure you use your 15-minute call as well if you haven't already. Let us know what you need so that we can really put you into the right space and connect you up with the right people inside of the Business League to help you support your growth.
So totally. So book in that call, and that's a 15-minute call where I'll get deep inside your business of what you need and help you go in the right direction first, faster, better.
Yeah.
The other things are there's a heap of services included in your membership. You're not going to use them all at one time, but make sure you use them over your time with us. There's nothing more disheartening than people saying, I never used that. I could have really benefited from it.
Yeah.
It's there, use it, and there's a system for the Business League, and if you follow the system, you'll get great results.
Yeah, definitely. And we want to see you active, as Ed mentioned earlier, at the events, but also inside the Facebook Members Lounge or the Business League Connection Hub, asking people for what you need or asking for support and asking questions on how we as a community can support you to grow your operation.
Totally. And Beck's just hit on the next one, which is if you don't ask, we're not mind readers. We have no idea what's going on in your world. So we need you to put your hand up. And the Business League Members Lounge is a great spot for that. The next one?
Finally, bring some guests along with you. We have found that the more friends we have in the spaces that we want to move into or business friends that we can toss ideas around with, the better our community is. And so if you're bringing along people that you like to hang around with and also do great business with, it means that not only are you going to advance your business more quickly because they're going to be getting all access to the things that you do, to the knowledge, then the strategies and the tactics that our speakers share, to the little piece of tips, bits and advice and the wins that your fellow communities members are having. So not only will you be introducing them to the fold and getting some, some great work out of them as part of your sales team, but you'll also be making yourself look pretty neat because they'll be getting into all the action here at the Business League.
Totally. So the more people you can build relationships with, the better it's going to be. So there'll be one level of members that you can do business with inside the 90 to 100 members. The next level is those members' communities. And so how can you connect your community with them, and how can they connect your community to you? That's one of the keys, and we'll work with you over the next couple of months on that to get you to that point. And then the final one is giving every member the opportunity to put their best foot forward if you need any of their services. So I get it that you've got existing relationships with other providers, but I just ask if every Business League member gives everybody in the community a chance. Whether you go ahead or not with them is your call, but at least give them the opportunity. Yeah. Just the same as it'd be disheartening for you to know that somebody else just bought what you do and didn't even talk to you.
Didn't even ask you for a tender or some, how would you go about this? So that's it. We just ask you to be honest, open, transparent, collaborate with whoever you can inside the community, and to really just be part of it.
Yeah, so in a nutshell, it's be proactive, collaborate, and let's get the ball rolling. And let's start it off with a 15-minute check-in call on how we can support you further and understand what you really need in your business.
So that we can all connect, develop and grow. I'm Rebecca Plant. We'll see you soon.
I'm Edward Plant. This is the Business League.